Hey, what's up? I'm Andrew Peters from Soundbasher Inc. I'm here at Center Stage doing the festival Prog Power with the band DragonForce. With DragonForce, we have a lot of tour dates that are all flying, so I wanted to get something that I knew was reliable, sounded amazing, and was great. So we ended up getting the M32C and the DL32 stage box, so it's so compact, it goes in just a small 4-unit rack case, and we can bring it on any plane. We don't have to check it in. We don't have any issues with anything like that. And it's so simple to set up. It's just awesome. So the signal flow for the actual M32 and the DL32 is really simple. I just got Ethernet cable going to the router, which is giving me the internet connectivity directly to the soundboard. So therefore, any iPad or iPhone that is on our network can control the console. And we're just going into the AES 50 port, and then we're going right into the console with that from the DL32. And that's pretty much it. From there on, we just have the outs going into our in-ears and all the inputs going into the DL32, which is getting directly into monitors. Really simple, really easy, really awesome. The good thing about the M32C is that you can obviously use the offline editor, so you can actually pre-set up everything you need to either on the iPad or you can do it on a computer. So that's pretty much what I did before this show to get all the pre-production ready. So now that I have the router and everything plugged in, my scene was already pretty much ready, so it's just a little bit minor tweaking here and there to get everyone content to their in-ears. And the flow of the actual software is pretty simple, so it's really easy to teach the band members, you know, if you need to change something, if someone's not on stage, you have the iPad, you just gotta go here and here, and you know, you can take care of yourself if need be. The first thing everyone said to me is just, you know, you can definitely hear a complete difference in the audio quality from what we were using then to what we're using now. And just showing everybody how the iPad is, they're just like, you know, this is really cool. The keyboardist went right into, you know, the actual iPad and just started doing his own in-ear mix, which made him really happy and content so he could get everything going on. Since I have the 32 channels capability, I can give everybody technically a front of house mix directly into their in-ears. Since everyone's got a stereo mix, I have a graphic EQ on everyone's in-ear so we can pull out the frequencies that, you know, are annoying to certain people or, you know, whatever they need. So with that, I can still add, you know, the gates, compressors, and still pretty much do a front of house mix in their ears and have everyone happy where everything is where it should be, you know, other than just having a 15 channel board or 16, whatever, and it just doesn't work right. I know for the fact that this is rack mounted, and I'm not actually carrying an actual board, is like the biggest thing that's awesome because it's just all compacted into one box. So I don't need to worry about, okay, I need to get like this 16 channel mixer that I can plug an iPad into and I have a control surface, but now I still have the fact that I don't really need that because it's so minuscule of what needs to be done once everything's dialed in. That's why we went this route, because I think it's a much easier and better way to do things than, you know, carrying a whole different rig where you need to check in a lot more things if you're trying to fly. So the fact that everything can just go right into an overhead bin in a plane, it was like the end all be all, like this is the best thing we can use. Hey everybody, this is Andrew Peters. Thanks for watching. Thank you Sarah and Chase and everyone at MIDAS for taking care of me and the boys in DragonForce. And everyone, make sure you check out their gear. And thanks again.